Good morning, students. So today's topic is relative density or density index, and it is expressed as dr or id. Okay, and this relative density is used to express the relative compactness of a natural soil deposit, and this relative density is used only for cohesionless soil. Okay, so the degree of denseness or looseness of a natural deposits of coarse-grained soil or cohesionless soil can be measured in terms of their relative density. That is, this relative density is used to indicate whether the soil is dense or loose, and this is one of the index property of cohesionless soil. Okay, and so this relative density, it is the most important soil aggregate property of coarse-grained soil or cohesionless soil, and this relative density is defined as the ratio of difference between the void ratio of a cohesionless soil in the loosest state and the void ratio in the natural state to the difference between void ratio in the loosest and densest state. So that is the expression for calculating relative density. That is, relative density is equal to E max minus E or E natural divided by E max minus E minimum into 100, can be represented in percentage. So where E max means, so this E max is the void ratio in the loosest state. So that is in the loosest stage, that is if the arrangement of the soil is loose, the void ratio will be maximum. Okay, that is clear. That is, in the loosest state, the void ratio will be maximum, that is E max. So E max will be the void ratio in the loosest state. And in the densest state, that is if the soil is compacted or the packing is very dense, the void ratio will be minimum. Okay, so E minimum will be the void ratio in the densest state. So that should be clear. That is, E max is the void ratio in the loosest state and E minimum is the void ratio in the densest state. And this equation E means it is the void ratio obtained in the field in the natural state. Okay, that is, E max and E minimum are the void ratio which is obtained in the densest and loosest condition, and E is the void ratio obtained in the field in the natural state. So the expression for calculating relative density is dr is equal to E max minus E divided by E max minus E minimum. That is, relative density is defined as the ratio of difference between void ratio of cohesionless soil in the loosest state and the void ratio in the natural state to the difference between its void ratio in the loosest and densest state. Okay. So based on this relative density, range of relative density, the soil can be classified into different types. That is, if the relative density is less than 15%, the soil will be very loose, and if the relative density is between 15 to 35, it is classified as loose. And if the relative density is between 35 to 65, it is medium dense, and if the relative density between 65 to 85, it is dense, and if the relative density is between 85 to 100, it is very dense. That is, if the relative density is high, this granular soil, that is cohesionless soil, will be dense. That is, if the relative density is high, the soil will be dense and will be having high shearing strength, and will be since it is dense, it will be having low compressibility. Okay, that is the relationship between the range of relative density and shearing strength. That is, I will repeat, if the relative density of the granular soil is high, it will be dense. So it will be having high shearing strength and it will be having low compressibility. Okay, that is, means a loose granular soil will be unstable if we are giving external vibratory loads. Okay, so that is a relationship between this relative density and strength of soil. Okay, so remember, this is the classification of granular soil based on relative density. So remember, this relative density is only suitable for cohesionless soil like sand. Okay. And this figure shows the arrangement, the packing of grains of uniform size in the loosest state and densest state. So in this loosest state, this is the arrangement in the loosest state, and here the void ratio will be maximum. There is more voids. And in the densest state, the void ratio will be minimum. That is, here the voids are relatively less comparing to this loosest arrangement. Next, we can discuss about the determination of relative density. Okay. So this figure shows the soil. This is the soil in the densest state, and this is the soil in the natural condition, and this is the soil in the loosest condition. So in the densest stage, that is if the arrangement is densely packed, the the void ratio will be minimum, so it is E minimum. And this is the void ratio in the natural condition, and this is the void ratio E max in the loosest state. So it is very difficult to measure the void ratio directly. We cannot measure the void ratio directly in the field. So this equation, that is this equation for calculating relative density, cannot be used. So it is convenient to express the void ratio in terms of dry density. So we can discuss it. That is this void ratio can be written like this, that is G rho W by rho minimum. That is this is the transformation of this equation, that is E max minus E. That is E max is written like this, that is G into rho W by rho minimum minus 1. So this is the equation that you have studied for calculating dry density, that is rho D is equal to G rho W by 1 plus E. So from that equation we can write E as G rho W divided by rho minus 1. Okay, so that is the formation of this equation. That is, this is E max. So and at that case rho will be minimum, since E max means void ratio in the loosest state. So in the loosest state density will be minimum. So here it is minimum, minus G rho W by rho D. This is the natural condition. So this is dry density, minus 1 divided by G rho W by rho minimum. That is, this is E max and this is E minimum. So in E minimum means this is the void ratio in the densest state. So in the densest state this density will be maximum. So here rho max. So this is the transformation of the previous equation for calculating relative density. So since in field we cannot measure the void ratio directly, we are changing the equation of void ratio in terms of density. So by measuring density we can calculate the relative density. Okay. So by rearranging this equation, relative density is equal to rho max by rho D into rho D minus rho minimum divided by rho max minus rho minimum. So this rho D means this is the density in the natural condition, that is dry density, and rho max is the maximum density, rho minimum density. Okay. So this is the procedure how we can calculate the relative density of soil in situ condition. Okay. So this is about relative density. So equation for calculating relative density is equal to E max minus E divided by E max minus E minimum, and there is another equation in terms of density, that is rho max minus rho D into rho D minus rho minimum divided by rho max minus rho minimum. You need not by heart this equation. You by heart this equation and write E in terms of dry density. Okay. So this is about relative density. Thank you.